Third bit, first problem, find the cofactors of the elements 2 and minus 5 in the matrix. So first one, cofactor of 2. So the formula is minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into minor of 2. So it is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of, so I means row number. Where is a 2? Here is a 2. It is in the second row. And what is its column number? Column is 2 into minor of 2. So the minor of 2 means cancel the row and column and find the determinant of remaining elements. So minus 1 5, minus 4 3. So it is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 4 into, so the determinant answer is minus 1 into 3 minus here minus 4 into 5. So it is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 4 is plus 1 into minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Here minus into minus is plus 4 5 is a 20. So 1 into minus 3 plus 20 is 17. So the cofactor of the 2 is 17. So next one is cofactor of minus 5 equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into minor of minus 5. It is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of, here minus 5 is in the third row and j means column number, so it is second column, into minor of minus 5. So here minor of minus 5 means cancel the row and column and find the determinant of remaining elements. Minus 1 5 1 minus 2. So it is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 2 5 into bracket minus 1 into minus 2 minus 5 into 1. So minus 1 whole to the power of 5 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2 minus 5. So minus 1 into 2 minus 5 is minus 3, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Next, second problem, find the cofactors of the elements 3 and minus 2. So first one, find out the cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3 is minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor of 3. So it is equals to minus 1 whole power minus 1. See here 3 is in the second row. Next j means column, first column, into minor of 3 means cancel the row and column. So 0 minus 2 5 6. So minus 1 whole power 3 into 0 into 6 is 0 minus, so minus 2 into 5. Minus 1 whole power 3 is minus 1. So minus of minus plus 2 5 is a 10. So it is 0 plus 10. So minus 1 into 10, it is equals to minus 10. So next cofactor of minus 2. So here minus 2 equals to minus 1 whole to the power I plus j into minor of minus 2. So here minus 1 whole power, so here is a minus 2, it is in the first row and third column, into mod 3 minus 1 4 5. So minus 1 whole power 4 into, here 3 5 is a 15, minus of minus plus 1, 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 1 whole to the power of 4 is 1 and 15 plus 4 is 19. So it is equals to 19. Fourth question, solve for x if mod this matrix mod equals to 0, then what is the x value? So let's find out the determinant first of all. Here 2 into mod, okay, so x minus 8, 6, 7. So next second element 3, but you should take the minus 3, mod minus 4, minus 8, 5, 7. Next third element is 4, so plus 4 into mod minus 4 x 5 6 equals to 0, because already determinant value given, that is 0. So now let's find out the determinant. 2 into bracket of x into 7 7x and minus 8 into 6 48, so plus 48. Next to minus 3 into minus 4 into 7 minus 28. Next to 8 5s are 40, so plus 40, plus 4 into minus 4 into 6 24, minus x into 5 is 5x, it is equals to 0. Now 2 multiply inside, 2 7s are 14x, plus 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, so 96. Next to 3 into bracket of minus 28 plus 40 is plus 12. Next to plus 4 into bracket of, here we need to multiply 4 in inside, 4 into minus 24, 4 for the 16, 1 carry, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, 9, so 96. Next to 4 into minus 5 is minus 20, x equals to 0. So now plus 96 minus 96 cancel, and here 14x minus 20x is minus 6x, and here minus 3 into 12 is 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, so it is equals to 0. So now let's find out the x value. So minus 6x equals to, here minus 36 transpose to that side, so plus 36, x equals to 36 by minus 6, because minus 6 is multiplying here. So now 6 1s are 6, 6 are 36, so then x value is minus 6. Next to second problem, find out the x value, and here the given determinant equals to 0. So first element is 1, so mod, cancel the row and column, x 4 4 5. Next to here the second element is 2, but take minus 2, mod, cancel the row and column, mod 2 4 3 5. Next to third element is 3, so plus 3, cancel the row and column, mod 2x 3 4, so it is equals to 0. So now 1 into bracket of x into 5 5x minus 4 into 4 16, minus 2 into bracket of 2 5s are 10 minus 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, plus 3 into bracket of 2 4s are 8 minus x into 3 3x, it is equals to 0. So here 5x minus 16 minus 2 bracket of 10 minus 2 is minus 2, plus 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24 minus 3 3s are 9x equals to 0. 5x minus 9x is minus 4x. Next to minus 16, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 24 equals to 0. So now minus 4x, and here minus 16 plus 4 plus 24 is 28 equals to 0. Minus 4x minus 16 plus 28 is plus 12, it is equals to 0. So then minus 4x equals to minus 12, so it is implies x equals to minus 12 by minus 4. Then minus minus cancel, to 4 1s are 4 3s are, so x value is 3. Next to third problem, here the determinant value given 5. So its determinant is, it is a 2 by 2 matrix, so 3 into 1 minus x into minus 2, it is equals to 5. 3 into 1 3 and minus into minus plus 2x equals to 5. So 2x equals to 5 minus 3, 2x equals to 2, x equals to 2 by 2, so it is equals to 1. Fifth question, if A is one 3 by 3 matrix given, then determinant A value also given, that is 45, then what is the x value? So first of all, determinant of A equals to 45. So determinant means here the first element is 1. So mod, cancel the row and column, 3, 4, minus 6x. Next second element is 0. So minus 0 into mod. So for the second element take the minus, cancel the row and column. So 2, 4, 5 x. Next third element is 0. So here plus 0 into mod 2, 3, 5 minus 6. It is equals to the determinant value given, that is 45. So now 1 into bracket of 3 into x 3x minus 4 into minus 6 minus here total 0 and it is also 0. So it is equals to 45. Now 3x plus 4 6 are 24, it is equals to 45. So 3x equals to 45 minus 24. So then it is implies 3x equals to 45 minus 24, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. So from this x equals to 21 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 7s are, so x value is 7.